Hey, what is up guys, welcome to the brand new video on the channel. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Google Assistant latest on your Android device. So by default on any Android there is the Google Assistant, will look pretty much boring. So without further ado, let's get started to the video. So for installing the Google Assistant, make sure that what is the GPU vendor on your Android. So to know the GPU vendor, open the CPU-Z app or any application that gives the information of CPU-Z. So on the GPU vendor, here you can see ARM. So I will give the download link of that means I will give the HTA link. So you have to download that zip from there according to your GPU. So download, if your phone have ARM, then you have to download ARM, and if you use ARM64, then you have to download ARM64, or if you have x86, then you have to download x86. And to installing the Google Assistant, make sure that you have the custom based recovery, and to boot into the custom based recovery, make sure to press the power key, volume key and home key at the same time after doing the power up. So I have booted successfully into the theme in recovery, and here you can see go on install and download the G file as per your CPU. So my CPU is ARM, so I have downloaded as ARM. So here on the you can see Android 7.0 mode ARM Android API. So just go the swipe to confirm flash and just flash that G. So after the installation is completed, your Google Assistant is now enabled on your Android. So this is the simple trick to enable the Google Assistant on any Android device. So let's meet up the reboot system. And yeah, finally my phone is rebooted, and let me just enable the assistant menu by pressing the home key for a long time. So yeah, let me just try the command. Okay, I will try the YouTube application opening. So yeah, I have done the YouTube app, but it's saying sorry I can't open on this device because I have not installed YouTube application yet. And then let me just try about asking the weather. Okay, let me just ask the weather what is there. So I have asked the weather and it's giving you the information. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give the thumbs up and share this video with your friend. So this is the simple way to install Google Assistant on Mac.